Hello friends, now we are learning with the continue with the Excel. Okay, that is Google Sheet, what we call it as Google Sheet in your drive. Okay, so go to your drive. Of course, you get it in Google. Okay, so here you get four things that I have taught you. Okay, the files, the shared and stored and home. Okay, the home will give you the recent files that you edited. Okay, so that you opened or modified whatever you done, right? So files is the place where your all actual files reside here, 15 GB of space. Now click on open. This is the recent files which ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ನ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಇದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅನ್ಟೈಟಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೇಮು, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡ್ರೈವಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಮ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಅನ್ಟೈಟಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು 3 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಆ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೀನೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಪೆನ್ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ಶೀಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡ್ರೈವಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹಂಗೆ ರಿನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ರಿನೇಮ್. Okay, then it is renamed as learning spreadsheet. Open it. We have opened this and we have did this today, right? So whatever what here border is applied, I just remove it. How to do that? You just clear, right? Whatever is there, clear formatting and all. You click on not border, right? Okay, first I have told them to create a column header, first number, right? This is the column header, and the second column is second number. Okay, so I have renamed this column headings like this. Make it centered, make it bold, right? Finished. And here the sum. Okay, right, remaining things you do, I'll just tell you the formula how to do this, right? And below the sum, that is C2, are you getting it? Under sum cell there is a column, the cell name is C2. Okay, this C2 equals array formula A2 colon A plus B2 colon B. Say enter. So you got these much of zeros, right? Now you can start giving number here. I just type 45, then here 54. What is the total? It's 108. Are you getting this? Right, you will get these values. So just 216, what you get? 8. So similarly you can get the values up to any instant. See, I have given number 8 only, this is showing 8, and 3 only. That is the B column is only adding with the 0, nothing is here. And first column A, first number column only added with nothing in second number column, right? So this will happen. So what's the array formula will do? It will add whatever comes in that row, that column, to the next column corresponding to that. Okay, that is A2 colon A plus B2 colon B. So that's the feature of the formula, that you can add any much. Now I'll change it to A2 to A10, right? Now wait, you also use B2 to B10. Now you got the values to be added within that A10, right? Now you put the border to it. How you put the border? You select those cells till the end, whatever is there, then put all borders, which is at the right bottom corner, right? Now the border has been put. Now you are to now I will tell you the sum formula. So the grand total. Now this equals this sum in between these C1 to C2 to C10, right? You just select on this or you type C2 colon C10, then you will get the grand total, right? So you can drag this formula to previous cells also or to above cells also. Just autofill, right? You have got the total of these things also. The total of these things also, right? You can do the grand total like this. So this is what we have taught you, and I told about you can make the product in the similar way. Just you have to need the just product, right? Say difference, you can make the column and you apply the same formula here. Then difference aita, product aita, division. Okay, so whatever you copy the formula in here, select all the things, then copy, then say come back to in the D2 cell and then paste it in here, and since it's a product you put the star symbol here, then you will get the output, and you drag it to and put autofill, you will get the grand total also, right? So if you make any changes over here, 65 plus 76, it will give this, and the product will be this. It will do automatically, and it will calculate the grand sum. Grand total is also tabulated automatically. So this is the formula we have taught, and you do complete all these things, divisions and all. In the H column I have taught them to 1 on the first H1 cell and 2 in the H2 cell. Select both first, then continue the selection to the numbers that you want to insert, then click on light touch on the selected cells, click on autofill, you will get the numbers, right? You will get the continuous numbers. Make it centered, whatever, make it right aligned, whatever. So according to the need you do this. So I want this to be next to this A, that is first number. Before the first number I have to insert one more column. Just I press here at the rightmost bottom cell, bottom option, just you click here, and just by clicking on this and rightmost you add cells here like this you can add, go on adding it. I just undo it. I need only one cell left to the first number, that is now A1. Now B1 cell become the first, B column become the first number, C column become the second number. Now you put the serial number here, SI dot num, serial number here. Now I do the same thing here, 1 and 2, and select those cells up to here and say click on that autofill. So these are the things I taught today. Please go through and make the borders in such a way which match that, right? So you practice these things. Click on the first E1 row, E2, E1, E2 cell to get the formula what you have written. Okay, E2, D2, E2, and you apply for the difference also, you apply for the division also, and learn, do practicing these things.